It's done. Literally just finished. Now, this print shouldn't have worked, but it did. 8 hours, 47 minutes. So my finish is rough because it did a 0.3 layer height with a 0.6 nozzle. And that's why it's the way it is. But this printer printed this, and it probably shouldn't have worked. But it did, and it looks good. And I printed this with Sovel's. This is a tri-colored green, purple, copper. And if you look at it, you can see the green, you can see the purple, you can see the copper. It's pretty amazing. I wasn't sure, so I put a little glue down, but you can see the colors in this thing. Pretty amazing. If I only had a 0.4 nozzle, it would have looked a lot cleaner on there. And that's the only reason why. It's because I didn't have the right nozzle on this machine, or for this machine. So maybe I'll have to reprint it.